What's going on, guys? 60 Garage over here. Just thought I'd give you guys a little walk around on my new truck that I got. I'm actually driving up the street right now to dump some trash. But after that, I'll park it and I'll hop out and give you guys a little walk around. You know, pop the hood, show you the beast of a motor this thing's got. Oh crap! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! All right, guys. So the truck is a 2006 F250 60 Powerstroke, 4-wheel drive. It's only got 99,000 miles on it. It's a Lariat, so it's got the leather interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. Super clean truck, no rust. But yeah, let me show you what this baby's packing under the hood. All right, boys, put on your big boy pants. Here she is, 60 Powerstroke, bulletproofed, ARP head studs, EGR delete, blue spring upgrade, coolant filtration system, aftermarket intercooler pipes, no limit fabrication intake. But other than that, the truck's stock, no tuner, nothing else. I kind of wanted it like this. I mean, this truck's got pretty much all the upgrades it has are, you know, for reliability, you know, such as the head studs, you know, so it won't blow a head gasket. Then, you know, coolant filter for the same reason. You know, no more plastic intercooler pipes, you know, but no tuner, so I know this truck hasn't been, you know, dogged on. So it's just what I was looking for. The truck's also straight piped. It's got the cat and stock muffler cut out, and then I just went up to the local muffler shop and had them weld in a 4-inch piece of pipe, and then it's got the stock tailpipe. So yeah, that's the truck. Just thought I'd make a video of what it sits like now, because I'm gonna be doing a build series on the truck, so stay tuned for that.